Before we start, let me inform you that we have our classmates, their new classmates. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Elaine Dawai. I'm 15 years old. I am from Mindanao.
Ay, Bisaya!
Ayong punta, guys!
Grabing absent chart! Boom! I have no guess for their behavior. Please use a table or supporting board. Reminder, avoid disrespecting anyone. We all bleed the same color. Class dismissed.
Ano ba problema kung Bisaya ako? Pareho lang naman tayong mga tao ah. Kasalanan ko ba na ipinanganak ako sa ibang lugar? Hindi ba karapatan ng bawat tao na igalang kahit saan man siya nanggaling? Kung humingi kayo ng respeto, sana kayo na rin ibigay ito sa iba.
Mga kaklase ko! Ako to sa Joanna, ako to. Joanna? College girl, right? You can come with us.
Sigurado kayo?
Yes, sure.
So what is your success, guys?
My father bought me a 3 iPhone 17 Pro Max because my first one was broken.
Oh, me too. My mommy bought me a Lamborghini.
Oh, my dad bought me the whole new University of Harvard because he was bored. Magdi-dinner kami mamaya sa restaurant ni Daddy. You all know, my father is the new CEO of Louis Vuitton.
Joanna, how about you?
Joanna, are you broke?
Yes, I'm broke. But that doesn't define me for who I am. Hindi man ako mayaman, mayaman na rin ako sa pagmamahal ng aking pamilya. Doon ko nalaman ang totoong yaman. Mayaman man kayo sa pera, hindi naman kayo mayaman sa pagmamahal ng pamilya.
Joanna, take this bag, worth 15 million.
Hindi ko kailangan ng plastic kanina.
Anak, mag-ingat ka. Kahit anong sabihin nila, lalaban ka.
rin ako. May nararamdaman din ako. Gusto ko lang na igalang niyo ako katulad ninyo. Di ba ka nahihirapan na ako maglakad ay hindi niyo na ako pwede igalang.
Kompleto na ba tayo? Let's start immediately para maaga tayo matapos ngayon.
Pero wala pa si Presidente. Hintayin na lang natin siya.
Huwag na. Kate Kentin. Babae yun. Walang utak.
Excuse me, hindi ibig sabihin na babae ay hindi kaya mag-lead. Hindi kami bobo, no?
Dali naman masyado. Totoo naman ang bubo nyo.
Tama na. Let's just finish this immediately. If Kate is a good leader, why not show up on time?
Let us proceed.
Simulan na ba kayo?
Oo, tagal mo kasi.
My sincerest apologies for being late today, guys. I just have something to fix at the guidance office.
You may now take your seat.
No, I won't. Wala ka din naman tamang masabi. Babae ka lang. You take your seat.
Did you forget who I am? I'm the class president in this room. So please do as I say.
So what? You're just a girl. You can't lead.
Do you even know what we're going to do?
Yes. We're going to discuss the behavior of our classmates and implement rules.
Yan lang ba?
Oh,
We will discuss a lot of things. So if you only knew one thing out of many, kindly take your seat and listen. Before we start, the issue that I fixed earlier is you.
what do you mean?
Your classmate caught you cheating and the paper you passed yesterday had the exact answers as your seatmate. Guess we're talking about your attitude today. And I'm not just a girl. We're the same human as boys. We deserve to be respected. We're capable of working, leading, and making changes. We are smart. We are brave. We can make decisions, take responsibility, and create opportunities. Just like anyone else. Hindi kami babae lang.
Tama, hindi kami papayag na maliitin ninyo kami dahil babae lang kami.
Exactly. Respect is earned through action and integrity, not gender.
Ano to? Sakang malas! Wala akong anak na bakla!
Sana naman kilala ninyo ako bilang anak. Hindi yung pagkatao ko.
Pasensya na anak. Natatakot lang ako kung ano ang masabi ng iba. At tandaan nyo,
Napubuhay kami dahil may tungkulin kami.
At may karapatan bilang isang tao.